Guys, what if a function has more than one term? Do we differentiate everything together? No. Let me show you the easiest rule in 60 seconds. Today is our day third of differentiation for engineers. Today we will discuss sum rule. So sum rule says that derivative of a sum is simply the sum of derivatives, means differentiation of f divided by dx plus dg of dx. Okay, we have to separately differentiate these two functions, f of x, g of x. So let's solve one example. Y is equal to x cube plus x square plus 5. How to differentiate this function? There are different functions, so we have to differentiate each term separately. So we can write down d by dx of x cube, which is equal to d by dx of x square, which is equal to, and d by dx of 5. Separately we have to differentiate, then we can add it. Okay, so what is the differentiation of x3? Here comes the power rule. So power down, 3x power minus 1, right? 3x square. X square differentiation is 2x raised power 1, right? And differentiation of 5 is 0, which is the constant rule. So here it covers both power rule and constant rule. Okay, so power down, power minus 1, and the constant rule is always the differentiation will be 0. So our final answer will be y is equal to 3x square plus this 2x plus 0. No need to write. So this is our final answer for this particular question. So the final conclusion is never differentiate the whole expression at once. Go term by term. Okay, then add it. That will be your final answer. Tell me in the comment section what is the differentiation of x raised power 4 plus x plus 10. This is the question for viewers. So tomorrow is the day 4 difference rule. Save this reel and follow the series.